Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia O. In today's video, I'll be discussing with us how you can make simple, healthy breakfast at home. And the simple, healthy breakfast I'll be making today, it's actually very low in carbohydrates. So this simple, healthy breakfast can help you to lose weight and to also keep fit. And to make this simple healthy breakfast, I'll be using a couple of ingredients that are very, very rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and also very rich in nutrients and vitamins that our body needs to look young, to reduce aging, and to also control diseases and infection in the body. So what I'll be preparing today, I'll be preparing a healthy breakfast, and I'll also be preparing a healthy smoothie that can go along with this breakfast. And you can actually make this for your children and they can have it at breakfast or lunch at school. So what I'll be doing today, I have a couple of ingredients that I'll be using. On this plate, I have carrot, which I'll be using for my smoothie. And we all know that carrot is rich in carotene, and it has a lot of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties that can help us to slow down aging and also fight diseases. And also I'll be adding plum. You can actually substitute this plum for red apple if you can get a plum wherever you are. And this is another antioxidant fruit which we can also use. And I'll be adding probiotic yogurt. This has billions of microorganisms that are very good for our guts. I'll be adding this to the smoothie, healthy smoothie, which I'll be making today. And here I have a glass cup of milk and I have a glass cup of water, which I'll be using to blend today's healthy smoothie. And the breakfast I'll be making along with this healthy smoothie today, I have egg, I have one tomato, I have my seasoning here, I have the vegetable oil, and also I'll be using this whole grain flax tortilla wrap, and you are going to like what I'll be making today. So today's video, I'm making a healthy breakfast coupled with a healthy smoothie that we can take at any time. Please, if you're new to this YouTube channel, this is Cecelia O YouTube channel, and on this channel I talk a lot about how to make healthy meal, how to make healthy drink, how to make home decoration on budget, I talk about different life hack that can save us money. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please stay tuned to the end. So I'll be diving into today's video, and please relax, sit back, and let's enjoy today's video together. Thank you so much, and remember, God has created all this fruit, roots, tubers, vegetables for our use. So it is now left for us to make good use of this and take advantage of this. Let's dive into today's video. I love you all. Thank you for staying tuned, and thank you for liking and sharing. So now I'll be making the egg. That will be the first thing I'll be making. And here I have the vegetable oil. So I'll be breaking the egg. So I have the 3 eggs that I'll be using today. I'll be adding seasoning. Just tiny seasoning to the egg. I'll be adding salt. So in here I have the 3 eggs, seasoning added, salt added. So the next thing is to mix this egg. So I have my egg whisked. The next thing I'll be doing is to add the tomato. So I have the 1 tomatoes. I'll be adding on my egg the 1 tomatoes. And my hand is clean. I have the tomatoes here. The next thing I'll be doing now, so the egg is done. The next thing I'll be doing now is to prepare the tortilla wrap. We're using 2 tortilla wrap. So I wet this tortilla wrap with a little bit of water, and I'll be microwaving it for less than 30 seconds. And the tortilla wrap, it has grain, so this is low in carb, and it's very, very good for people that are even on keto diets. So I'll microwave this for 30 seconds. I microwave the tortilla for 30 seconds. And the next thing I'll be doing now is to add the egg. I made this tortilla wrap. So I have the egg done. And the tortilla wrap is done, and you can have this for breakfast. Here is it. The tortilla wrap is done. I'll set it aside now, and I will make the healthy smoothie. So now I'll be making the healthy smoothie, and I have all my ingredients ready. I have the carrots, I have the plum, I have the billion probiotic yogurt, which is good for the gut. I have the milk, 100% milk. I have water. So I'll go ahead and cut my ingredients. Be adding the carrots. I already washed all the ingredients. So now I'm adding the probiotic yogurt. This, it has billions of microorganisms that is good for our gut. I'll be adding a glass cup of milk, and you can use any milk of your choice. The milk that I'm using to blend this is 100% milk, and I'll add little water. So now I'm going to blend. Elder breakfast and the elder smoothie is ready, and you can actually have this in the morning. This is loaded with a lot of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, nutrients, vitamins that our body needs to fight infections, to fight diseases, also to look young and to glow. So here is the healthy diet that I made today, and this is actually low in carbohydrates. Like I said before, it can also help you to lose weight, and this is safe. You can prepare this for your family, for your children, and have it with this healthy smoothie. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section. And until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl, Cecelia O. And I love you all. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye for now.